was saying before I realized before I got cut off because I wasn't watching my time, the last one that we're going to do is going to be 9 1/3. Subtract 4 3/4. So 9 1/3 is going to be close to 9.5. 4 3/4 is going to be close to 5. So my answer should be around 4 1/2. So again, I'm doing that estimation before I do anything else. Compare fractions. 1/3 is smaller than 3/4, so I'm going to regroup. So 9 becomes 8. 3 or not 3. 1 becomes 4. I don't do anything with that 3. I just add it to the numerator. So now I have 4/3. Subtract 3/4. Look for common denominator. Common denominator is going to be 12. So I have 16/12. 3/4 is going to be equal to 9/12. 16 subtract 9 is going to be equal to 7/12. 8 subtract 4 is going to be equal to 4 7/12. 4 7/12 is really close to 4.5. So our answer would be correct, or our answer is going to be reasonable. For your independent practice, I'd like for you guys to do problem 7 through 10 all. Remember to estimate. It asks for an estimation. You need to estimate first. We estimated first in all of the problems that we did. And then I'd like for you to do 19 through 20, and then 22 through 24 on your math problem and practice.